Hey, I'm back. Did you miss me? I have some more cool videos I want to show you. Here a cat keeps getting stuck on top of some shelves.
She doesn't know how to get down. So she just keeps screaming at me. But she keeps willingly getting up here. Yeah, don't you? Yeah. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Wasn't the smartest move, was it, Taylor? Yeah? Got anything to say for yourself?
So this is a video of a blind dog finding its owner.
You found me. Good girl.
Oh, a cat thinks that it's stuck behind a gate.
You didn't notice that I opened the door. So I'm going to pretend to open the door again. There we go.
This is a video of a piece of bread falling.
It'll be alright.
So this cat has a weird walk. Thanks for watching once again. I had fun sharing these videos with you. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed. Or don't. If you want any videos of yours to be featured, send them to the email in the description. I'll be working on uploading more and making these videos better quality. Meanwhile, I'm going to find more clips to show you. Until next time, bye.